How to register for Airbnb. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. For this, open up a browser or open up your application. You have to search for Airbnb host or just switch your profile status to host. Select the option of Airbnb in your web browser. Now first and foremost, select the option of Airbnb setup at the bottom of the bubble. Then tap on Get Started. You can match with a superhost or start on your own. Select the option of Next if you want to start on your own. Now right here, select the place that describes you the best. I'll select House, then tap on Next. Select what type of place will guest have, then tap on Next again. Add your Airbnb address from here. Once you are done, tap on Next. Now I have speeded up the rest of the video, but you have to add a detailed information about your address, select number of people that can stay and accommodations. Then also select what type of bedrooms do they really have. Now once you have added all of this information, you also have to add your photograph of the property. Once you are done filling out all of the basic questions of Airbnb, you also have to add the photograph of your properties. Photographs, reviews, and a detailed information about your Airbnb will help the potential customer to build confidence to book with you. So make sure that all of your profile is legitimate and looks attractive for the guest. And that is how you can easily register for your Airbnb. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.